Okay, let us see questions number 6. We have y prime equal to x squared plus x plus 1 multiplied with y squared plus 4y plus 4. Now to make these separables, then we have a dy. We move all the unknown function y on the left hand side. We have y squared plus 4y plus 4, and this must be equal to x squared plus x plus 1, right? And then this is multiplied with dx. Now we can do the integrations on both sides of these equations. Now for the left hand side integrations of this, and this is equal to x3 divided by 3 plus x squared divided by 2 plus x plus c. So this is the right hand side of the integration result. Now we need to do the left hand side. Okay, the left hand side integrations, we have dy divided by y squared plus 4y plus 4. So how we are going to do this integration? Well, we need to factor out the bottom part of our integration. So this is equal to 1. So y squared plus 4y plus 4 is equal to y plus 2 and square. Then this is the dy. Now this becomes simple. So the general of this, the answers for this is that, so y plus 2, we have y plus 2 minus 2 dy. And this can be integrated by n minus 2 plus 1, we get minus 1. So we get a minus 1 divided by y plus 2. So this is the result of the left hand side integrations. Now, so the general solutions of this is left hand side equal to right hand side. So we write down the left hand side result. We have minus 1 y plus 2, and this must be equal to the right hand side of the equations. So the right hand side of the equations is this, right? So we have a x3 divided by 3 plus s2 divided by 2 plus x plus c. So this is our general solutions.